Ministry of National Security auditor gunned down in Portmore. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives from the St. Catherine South Police are searching for a suspect in connection with the fatal shooting of an employee of the Ministry of National Security in Portmore, St. Catherine on Saturday. The internal auditor has been identified as 54-year-old Garfield Jones of Cumberland Meadows, Portmore, St. Catherine, and is also a building contractor. It is reported that he was shot by unknown assailants at a construction site in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. Reports from the Portmore police are that at around 2:30 p.m., Jones was driving his Nissan AD wagon motor car with a passenger on board when he was pounced upon by a lone gunman traveling on foot who opened fire, hitting him. The police were alerted and he was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The passenger escaped unhurt. According to a source, thugs had reportedly attempted to extort Jones, who refused their demands. The police are continuing their investigation into the matter. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.